Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Limits like this look scary, but they are actually just derivatives in disguise. We will solve this limit involving e squared in 3 fast steps. First, recognize that this expression matches the formal definition of a derivative. We are looking at the function f of x equals e to the power of x at a point. Next, we need to find the derivative of our function. Since the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, the calculus here is super simple. Finally, plug in x equals 2 to find the value. This gives e squared, making option B the correct choice for this limit problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option B.